part two to my steam. I'm going to draw some things here, so stay with me. Now, in the beginning we had a steam train. You had his little firebox here, and with a fire and a big water tank. The steam came off here, went into a piston, and drove the wheel on the train. Quite simple. Okay. Then we had the car people went, oh well, let's put these pistons up in the air like that, and we'll put a crankshaft on them, and we'll drive a wheel. Therefore we have a car. Now the steamship business was the go. It was all the rage, especially in ships, and they came up with a triple piston. One was smaller than the next one was smaller than the next one, and they had obviously had a boiler with a fire. Steam would come into this one and then be reused into this one, and then reused into this one, and then it would just waft up the chimney on the ship like that. So boat. Okay. Now this Melosto group came up with this idea. We put in this superheater. Now the superheater is recycling the air and recycling the water through these tubes to get 850 pounds per square inch of pressure. Now if anyone knows anything, that is a lot. That is a very high powered machine, and that's producing 9,000 shaft horsepower HP to drive a ship. 9,000. Now that is a bloody lot of horsepower. So what I'm proposing is that even one of these little 8-foot boxes of these Melosto superheaters in the tail of an aeroplane. Oops, geez, I'm not very good at drawing, am I? Alright, there's the wing, there's a little front wheel. Alright, now we've got these big turbo fans. They're not jet engines, they're turbo fans. So we've got 850 pounds of dry steam pumping up to here, running the compressor inside the engine to turn the blades of the turbofan to give it thrusts. Now I would even say that they've probably done away with this altogether, and a lot of it is combined in here. Now you can smell some kerosene from jet planes. We'll pile it in here. So there must be a flame somewhere, but I'm thinking it's in a superheater out the back. Yeah, and the little third engine out the back, or fifth engine out the back. Alright. Now I think technology's come far enough that this is very, very possible. Now when you have an oil fire superheater running at 77% efficiency and dry steam running at 27% more efficient than wet steam, this equals to a massive efficiency. In fact, steam power has more power and more efficient than any other motor that we have, and steam power is suddenly being disregarded for petrol. Well, we know that consumerism is what we're at the moment, but steam power is pretty much the ultimate power we have for strength, reliability, simplicity and efficiency. These people have gone and they've proved it, and it's these ships were running for 500,000 miles, and when they tore them down they were in excellent condition. So that means they can still run another 500,000. Anyway, just thought I'd try that out.